Alright guys, welcome to day 25 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge using DCA for PHT and other meme coins. So today again we are gonna be buying PHT and another meme coin. Alright, so you can see that most of these meme coins are actually down right now, which is actually to our own advantage. Okay, so we'll keep buying using DCA so we don't have any problem. All right, for as long as there is an opportunity to buy. Okay, so I'm gonna click on PHT right now and click on swap. Okay, so now we are getting PHT at a huge discount. Okay, I'm gonna click on BNB and I'm going to type 0.004 0.04 0.04. Okay, so that's 99.2 PHT. So I'm going to click on swap. There's a 9% slippage on this transaction. So I'm going to click on confirm. Confirm. Good. Successfully traded. So right now we have 2,000 plus PHT. Congratulations to us guys. Okay, so don't forget our next target is 10,000 PHT. Now we have 2,000 PHT. So we are progressing, we are pushing forward. So what's the next meme coin we are buying right now? Okay, the next meme coin we're buying right now is this robotic Doge. Okay, so the pair was created 1 year, 4 months, 15 days ago. And currently the market cap is 38K. So before we buy, let's check the chart. And we're also going to check Twitter or search on Twitter for what people are saying about it. Okay, so it seems like a dead or an abandoned project. Okay, so but in crypto, there are sometimes most abandoned projects or dead projects are the ones that normally come back alive and perform very well, like crazy. So, but nevertheless, when you're buying this project, you buy with what you can afford to risk. Okay, so there's nothing that is actually guaranteed in the crypto space. Some people will be like, you know, don't buy new tokens, don't buy new projects, only buy, old projects. But there are some old projects that will be dead and it won't come back to life again. And there are some, new tokens that will come out in few days and explode like crazy. Okay, so you can never tell. So there's really nothing much on this one chart. Okay, so what I can see here is retracement. All right, so and there's not really much activities. So if you check chart and transactions, wow, someone sold $212 1 hour ago. Anyways, I don't have anything to do with that. Let's click on search on Twitter and see what people are saying about it. Search for Doja. So someone posted about it this year, as April 2025. BSC gem. Market cap 52K. How about their Twitter page? I don't think they have a Twitter page. Okay, this is Ayame Doja. Okay. The post here is automated. This is Doge BSC. So old Doge BSC. I don't understand. Yeah, that's me. So there's not really much information here. Okay. The community is not even active. Should we buy or not? Because the best thing is actually to buy projects with, strong community. That's how you make money. Okay, that's how you make money. So let's buy this. Let's buy it, even if it is $1. Copy. It goes to OKX, BNB. You can swap, paste. Doja. So let's buy with $1 or $2, 0.001. That's 4 million. Confirm. Okay, good. So we just bought Doja. So let's see if there's anyone we can buy here again. KITSUNE. Let's try and buy KITSUNE. This particular one here. Click on swap. BNB. $0.0. Okay, let me use 25%. Swap. Confirm. Continue. So we just bought more KITSUNE. Okay, so bought Doja too. All right, so tomorrow or in the next video, we'll look for another meme coin to buy again. Okay, so that's it. The thing there is that actually buying this meme coin it's actually far better than what's it called, doing features leverage, because recently tons of people lost millions of dollars, including myself. I lost some amount, okay, with futures trading, okay, and that was due to the flash crashed because the impossible actually happened. What it seems that it's impossible actually happened, like coins like Atom dropped down to like 10 cents or even 1 cent, from all the way from like $4, okay, to $0. That's crazy. So a lot of people got liquidated, including myself, okay. And one thing about futures, like your entire capital will get liquidated, everything will be gone for good, so you won't have any hope, you understand? So but with meme coins that we are buying, there's actually hope, okay, there's actually hope. So, and Binance, CZ, and other top players in the crypto space are actually supporting meme coins right now, even though someone like CZ is not actually buying any other coins apart from BNB and BTC. Those are the two coins he admitted that he bought, you understand? So but I don't see any reason for him to buy any other coins, altcoins or meme coins, because he's actually getting them for free. Because whenever we transact on Binance, there is a transaction fees, okay, so he gets those coins for free through the transaction fees, you understand? So beside that, some projects even still send him their tokens or meme coins, okay. There's a project that sent like 6% to his wallet, just like Shiba Inu sent Shiba Inu meme coin to what's it called, Vitalik, a founder and owner of Ethereum in 2021. So most of this founder or developer, they do get, coins for free. So that's just it, guys. Okay, let's just keep building. Okay, so we're gonna face a lot of challenges, ups and downs, but we're not going to stop. We'll keep going. We keep building. Yeah, we keep pushing forward. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.